Hi there. Initially, we started Midjourney to create amazing AI images, but now it's paid now and we can't use it for free. In today's video, I will teach you the two alternatives, best alternatives rather than Midjourney. In these two alternatives, we will create amazing graphics using AI. So first is Lexica. Laxica is an AI tool where we can generate amazing graphics for free. So here we have to type our prompt here, just search it down, and boom, here you can see I have typed Iron Man in space with background and sunlight. So here you can see amazing graphics have been pushed out. So this is the Lexica, the first best alternative, then Midjourney, and the second one is Dream Like AI. So we will go to this website and just hit get started for free. We have to sign up our account. Just sign in up. After signing in, we will be awarded some connects. After signing in up, we will be given 50 free credits. So here we will just type our prompt. After typing in the prompt, we will have to select number of images we want to generate. So I will select 4 images. Okay, so just click it here, and it will take some time to generate amazing images for us. So here you can see they have reacted on our prompt. All images are created from AI and the results are similar to Midjourney but at zero cost. So you can say it's free. These are two tools. You can download it, the images you want. That's all. Hope you like the video. Hope you like these two websites. If you like my video, please subscribe to the channel.